How I made this dragon bust with my 3D printers. I found the STL on my mini factory. The creator is Zane Rogers. I downloaded Lubin 3D and uploaded the file. I sliced it into 22 parts. It took about a week of printing on 3 machines. Once I had all the parts, I put them together using epoxy glue and crazy glue. Then I filled in all the lines with clay and crack filler. Next, I sanded it all so you couldn't see it. After it was all sanded, I sprayed it with a gray primer. I found this in the trash and thought it would make a great fit. Then I spray painted everything black. Once it was all dry, I went over it with a gold rub and buff and a brush. This is the finished result. If you like seeing videos like this, like and subscribe, and I will keep them coming. I will include the links to the STL and Lubin in the description.